Make pork just like in a Chinese restaurant. Everyone will ask you for a dish. I have a kilo of pork tenderloin here, and I'm going to cut it into large slices. I'm going to break it in half, cut into small. This way it will look like little slices. Once the meat has been cut, transfer it to bowl and season. Add a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of garlic powder, black pepper to taste, and teaspoon of baking soda. This will make the pork even more tender. Also add an egg, and now let's mix and blend the spice with the meat. Now add half a cup of wheat flour and half a cup of mustard, and we will mix until the meat is completely enveloped in this flour. Once this is done, remove the seed and fry the meat in hot fat. And while the meat is frying, we will make our sauce. I'm going to put 2 glasses of pineapple juice in this container. Then add 2 tablespoons of 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of ketchup, a tablespoon of honey, and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Now we stir it all together very well and set it aside. Look how our meat is already fried, and let's remove it from the pan. Then in another pan we will add some olive oil and cut red bell pepper. Also add a yellow bell pepper into large pie, and add an onion cut into large pie. Let it fry for a minute while stirring. Then add a cup of chopped pineapple and continue stirring. Once that's done, add the sauce we have prepared here to the pan. Stir and then cover until the sauce thickens. And look how it's already changed consistency. Now we can return the meat to the pan. Stir until all the meat is coated in the sauce. It will be super tasty once that's done. Let's add 20 grams of seasoned seasoning. We are going to use 2 different colors. So add 20 grams of each. Done. Now just serve this wonderful dish. There's nothing left of this meat here at home. Everyone loves it. Make this recipe at home too, because I'm sure everyone will love it. So that is my love. I hope you enjoy it. Until the next video. Bye bye.